Hello moneymakers. The only niche on the entire YouTube business that can pay the highest CPM is finance. The CPM on these channels can go up to $50 per 1,000 views. It is very obvious that if the videos are related to finance, then the ads on these channels would be related to finance only. And trust me, these financial institutions have really deep pockets to spend on advertising. So even if you get low views for some reason, you will still be making much more as compared to other niches. Furthermore, take a look at this channel called The Swedish Investor. They have over 800,000 subscribers, and some of their popular videos have crossed more than 4 million views. Please don't be shocked by looking at their income on the social blade. Trust me, they are making a lot more than the one you see here. Let's see another example for motivation. This is a channel called Practical Wisdom. They have over a whopping 1 million subscribers base, and their popular videos have got more than 10 million views. Their income as per Social Blade is also huge. Trust me when I say this, you can make double amount from brand sponsorship and affiliate marketing on such channels by promoting financial wallets, financial tracking tools, etc. So in this video, I will teach you how to find topics, create scripts, how to create realistic voiceover and editing as well. So let's take a glass of lemonade and watch this video till the end. So, let's start our process with selecting topics and proper finance niche. First of all, let me tell you that the finance niche is huge as there are many different categories in it. And if you are a new creator, you need to know all the categories and subcategories in the finance niche. But the question is, how will you find this out? So let's take help from AI. Open ChatGPT and ask, I would like to start a faceless YouTube channel on the finance niche. And I know this niche is very large and vast niche, so could you help me out in segregation into micro niches like personal finance, insurance, banking, etc. And divide all the categories separately, and if there are any subcategories, then do mention them as well, so I can choose what I should start with. And as result, ChatGPT provides all the details about what things come under finance, what categories are there, and what subcategories exist. Now all you have to do is choose this niche as per your interest and start creating videos on this particular niche. Once you have selected the category, now you need to find video ideas related to that category for your video. To find video ideas, you have two options. One is a trending topic and the other one is a searchable topic. For example, how to start investing with $500. This is a separable topic and people will do it every month, which will result in consistent views. So the question is how and where you will find these types of video topics. First, let's talk about trending topics. These are topics that will give you a lot of views for a short period like 8, 10, or 15 days, after which the views will gradually stop. For example, new government schemes, stock analysis, or information about the trending stocks. These are trending topics in the finance category. Now let's talk about searchable or evergreen content that will always get views. To find such topics, all you have to do is open incognito mode on your browser and start searching for topics related to finance. For example, how to start budgeting. And as you see, YouTube has suggested how to start budgeting and saving money. Since this keyword is being searched a lot, YouTube is suggesting it to us. Or you can take help of a popular Chrome extension called vidIQ. You can search the topic, and it will share the trending ones on their page along with their scores. Or for the evergreen content topics, open any popular channel and search for the videos that are getting consistent views. So this way you can decide your video topic as per your categories. After finding the topic, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating scripts. If you are an expert, you can write your entire script yourself. But in this era of AI, why should we waste so much time and energy? So let's go back to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give video ideas on your selected niche. After that, choose one of the topics and ask ChatGPT to provide a complete YouTube video script on your topic. Make sure the script is engaging and write the script in simple language. So as a result, ChatGPT provides us perfect script with the scene description. I think it's a little bit short, so let's ask ChatGPT to make it longer. This way, make some changes as per your requirement. Now copy this script and paste it in Google Docs. Then add your personal touch so it will not look like an AI-generated script. Other than this, you can create script from the article available in Google.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
All right, now let's move to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. If you are not showing your face and making a faceless finance channel, I will suggest using your own voice for the voiceover, or if you are not comfortable recording your own voice. You can use an AI tool which generates human-like voiceover, such as 11 Labs. I will provide a link in the description. Open 11 Labs and go to the voice library. Then choose Informative and Education. Choose Gender, Age, and Language. I will choose this one. Now paste your script and hit Generate.
The top 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s.
Perfect, let's download this. Alright, so our script and voiceover work is done. Now we need to add content as per the voiceover created. For this, let's go to the next step. Step 4. Using Canva. Open Canva. Choose the video icon from the dashboard. Now upload the voiceover and add it into the timeline. Then go back to the ChatGPT and see what type of scene you suggest for the first scene. So ChatGPT suggests text on screen. Top 5 financial mistakes. All right, let's go back to the Canva. Then click on Design and write Finance in the search bar. So here you will find many ready-made templates which you can use it for the intro. I will choose this one. Now here let's change the text and enter our topic. So our intro scene is edited. Now go to the element and search for the related footages as per your voiceover. For example, I will search for success. And as a result here you will get so much footage to choose from the options. Now if you do not have a pro account, you can take footage from other free sites such as Pixels. Set the footage as a background, then you can also change the speed of the video to sync with your voiceover. This way, one by one add footage and text to make your video attractive. You can also animate the text from here. There are so many options available. Play with them to look cool. At last, add background music so your video will not look boring. Open YouTube audio library. Choose calm and simple music for your video background and download it. Then upload it to the Canva. Add the music into the timeline and decrease the volume up to 8 to 10. So the original voice will be heard properly. Once you are done with editing, click on Share and download it. Now to give a final touch, I will use CapCut. Open CapCut and upload the video. Now click on the right button and select the split screen, so it will automatically split it all the scenes. Now click on Transition and add light, glitch, or any other transitions between each footage. So this will make your video look stunning. Now to add auto caption, click on Text and choose Auto Caption. Choose Language and hit Create. Then choose Fonts, Color Animations to make it attractive. You can also add filters and effects where it suits. And that's it, your video is ready to download. This way you can create a faceless finance YouTube videos with AI.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Today, we're diving into the top 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s. If you want to set yourself up for financial success, keep watching. Mistake number 1 is overspending. It's so easy to fall into the trap of spending more than you earn, especially with the temptation of credit cards and buy now, pay later schemes. To avoid this, create a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses and see where your money is going. Trust me, you'll be surprised how much those little purchases add up. Next up is not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can save you from financial stress when unexpected expenses pop up. aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to, but make it a priority.